Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Bronwyn Eastley and I recently became a Creative Memories advisor. Today I'm going to show you how to make an envelope mini album using the gorgeous Denim Revival Decorative Bundle. So you're probably wondering why a card maker like myself joined Creative Memories. Well, I do enjoy making the occasional mini album and junk journal, but the products are great for card making as well, and I really enjoy using some of the tools that Creative Memories have on offer. I joined mainly because of the 12-inch paper trimmer, which you'll see on this page here. I absolutely love it. It's an amazing tool. And I recently purchased the envelope and bow maker as well, and I'm going to make a little album using that particular tool today. You can see there are lots of scrapbooking packs as well, and they're great for card making too. And I chose to use the Denim Revival Decorative Bundle, and it consists of this gorgeous 12 by 12 paper pack consisting of 12 double-sided sheets in total. So to begin with, you need to determine your card size before you make the envelope. I wanted my card size to be 4.5 inches by 6.5 inches. So therefore I needed to cut a 9-inch square piece of paper to begin with. And I've chosen a nice dark denim for one of my envelopes for the album. So once the paper's been trimmed to the correct size, what you need to do is line up the left edge of the paper to the punch guide, and my guide was at 3 3/4 inch mark. You score along both score lines and then turn it 180 degrees and repeat that process again, so scoring the vertical and the horizontal score lines. You look at the little V that you've created on each section, and that needs to go into the notch punch. So line up the little wings that line up with the score lines on the notch punch, and then punch a little notch on all 4 sections of your envelope. And then this has got a little handy corner round to punch at the top. And so to give it a nice finish, I rounded off all 4 corners. So to assemble the envelope, you just simply need to burnish along all 4 score lines using a bone folder. You need to just add some snail adhesive or some glue along both of those diagonal edges there, and then glue into place your flap. Okay, so here's a couple that I made earlier with some light denim and some medium coloured denim paper as well, and I'm going to alternate those colours to form the album. Now, as you can see, I've used some adhesive here on the edge flap, and that's what you're going to join the second envelope to. Now, on reflection, I would use glue for this bit. It just gives you a little bit more wriggle room, as I got into a bit of a mess on the third one, which I had to cut out. So I would use glue for this bit. But anyway, you line up the second envelope just shy of the score line, making sure that it's nice and straight. And then you repeat on the second envelope flap there. Once again, and you'll see that I've had to cut out a fair bit of the video because it got a little bit sticky here. So use glue next time. And just lining it up just inside the score line on that middle envelope, and then you can see that it's formed a little mini album, and I've folded it like an accordion fold there, but you'll see later on in the video that I actually changed my mind on how I was going to fold this particular album. Now I chose to work my album around the size of these particular card mats in the Denim Revival pack, and they measured 4.5 inches by 6.5 inches, so that I made the envelopes especially to fit these particular mat packs. And I love these photo mats, they're very cute, and all you need to do is glue them now to the envelope, making sure you leave that opening so you only attach glue to the outer section of that envelope there, and that forms a cute little pocket. So repeat on the middle, in the middle section there, and I chose to use more of a journaling mat for the middle one, and then another mat for two small photos on the left hand side. And as you can see, as an accordion fold, yeah, it was good, but I think I preferred to fold it like a tri-fold album, and I thought that looked a lot better to form my front cover there. So I needed then to leave that middle panel on the flip side free and add the two remaining photo mats that I'd chosen to the left and the right hand side of the back of the album. As you can see, not a lot of decoration is needed with these gorgeous photo mats. I think they're really cute. I really enjoy putting this album together. Okay, so that's the finished album base, as you can see. Happy with how that turned out. And I decided to pop in 3 of the smaller mats. They were like journaling mats that you add to your photos, and I thought those little cards would be great inside a pocket. And I looked at, I didn't check the back out, so yep, that looks good. And for the third one, I thought I'd choose something that I could write on rather than place a photo on that one. So I filled up my little pockets, and this is the reason why I bought this gorgeous bundle. It's got these cute little denim pockets, and I've got so many great ideas for card making in the future for these, but I thought I'd use one of them on the front cover, and they're the frames that come with the pack, and aren't they gorgeous? And they've got a little opening in the front, inside, and it shows on the examples that you can pop a little photo inside or something. I've got some great ideas for later on to add a flower arrangement inside a pocket and pop it on a card, which will look great, I think. So just showing here the little embellishment pack that comes in the bundle and the sticker pack as well, and you'll see me decorating the album with those in a minute. I decided I would pop a belly band on my album, just using an offcut from one of the sheets of paper that I cut down to the 9-inch square mark. So this is just a 3-inch piece that's left over, 3 inches by 12-inch piece that's left over from that particular piece, and all you need to do is just fold it over, add a little bit of glue to the right hand side to create a little belly band there. And I'm going to apologise for my croaky voice at the moment. I actually made this project 2 weeks ago, but I've had the flu, and this is the first day I've had a voice to be able to finish this project off. So, yep, I'll add the little pocket to the belly band at the front. And as I said, you could pop a little photo or something inside that, or do an arrangement of die cut flowers. But I actually found in the pack a couple of tags which I decided I would pop inside the front pocket. New nails and making projects don't really go together, as you can see. Okay, so here's a little sticker pack, and I decided to pop some stickers around on the album. Little denim flower inside the front flap there, and you'll see a bit later on that I added a couple more stickers to the middle journaling page. And I chose a little label from the embellishment pack and just added glue, just a horizontal glue line down the middle. I didn't want to glue the whole thing down because I wanted to create a little tuck pocket for the photos. As you can see, when I glue the photos in, or the recipient glues the photos in, they'll have a little pocket, little tuck pocket there with the label. And I did the same with these little die cuts, little denim star. Just added glue to a couple of the points of the star on the left hand side, just to create that little tuck spot there. And the same with the denim flower on the top right hand corner. Just add glue to the right petals, making sure you leave those bottom petals unglued, and you've got a spot for a photo to go under. Then I just grabbed another little label, and I thought I would do the same, just put glue on the left hand side of that one, attach it to the frame on this particular photo mat, so it leaves all the right hand section open for you to tuck the photo underneath that particular label as well. I'm just checking to see I've liked what I've done so far, which I have. Excuse me. So here's a little tags that I've just decided to add to the top pocket there. So here's the completed album. I didn't show you all the steps, but you'll get a little bit of an idea as the album unfolds, so you can see how I decorated very minimally. I didn't really put a lot of embellishments on it because, as I said, the photo mats are just beautiful on their own. I'm just showing you here the little tuck spots that I created with those die cuts. I was quite pleased with how that turned out for my first Creative Memories project. It was a great bundle to work with, and I'm so glad that you joined me today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.